While most meme coins are crashing, Bonk is up 8%, outperforming most cryptos on the blockchain. Welcome back to 99B YouTube channel. I am your host, Umar Khan, and today we're taking a deep dive on Bonk token. Before we start the video, I want to ask, if you haven't already, do make sure you smash the subscribe button down below, as it helps out the channel tremendously and will help you reach your 2024 crypto goals. Without any further ado, guys, let's go ahead and take a look at what's going on with Bonk token. As you can see, we're down about 0.24% on the hour. However, on the 24-hour, we're up 8%. On the week, we're down about 6%. Looks like we're about to recover all the losses we've recently made. As you can see across the board, guys, we're seeing red. Doge down 14%, Pep down 18%, Dogwolf Hat down 27%, Floki down 18%, Base down 34%, and Book of Meme down 23%. However, Bonk only down 6% and making some significant gains, potentially gonna flip Dogwolf Hat to become the top number 4 meme coin on coin market cap. Taking a look at the overall market, guys, to see the situation, the conditions we're in right now. We're currently sitting at 36 in terms of the fear and greed index, arguably the lowest it's been the entire crypto bull run this current round, especially post-halvening. It's interesting to say the least. Bitcoin currently sitting at $56,000. Just weeks ago, dancing at $70,000. We're not sure when it's going to rebound, but the hopes are a rebound's coming very soon. Ethereum also in the 3,000 range. It's slowly just creeping in the red. Hopefully we'll get some recoveries. But let's go ahead and talk about what the heck is going on with Bonk and Bonk prices. First of all, Bonk, if you don't know, it's more than an ordinary dog. They have over 700, I believe, 1 million holders by now. That's not updated. Over 129 integrations and a lot on 11 different chains. Bonk is a social layer and community meme coin on Solana, deep integrations as utility token across a wide base of applications and protocol. So basically, they want to be more than a meme coin. They want to be a meme coin with a ton of different utility, and that's exactly what this coin went on to do. And not only does it have a ton of utility, it's available to buy pretty much everywhere. 40 plus decentralized exchanges and centralized exchanges. Buy Bonk today on Binance, Kraken, BitBuy, Coinbase, Crypto.com, OKX, you name it, they are listed there. So this token is doing so well. Why? Let's go into Twitter to see some reasons why this is pumping. Now, before we do that, guys, I want to highlight this pre-sale gem that's been going absolutely crazy. This one is called Wiener AI. It's part dog, part sausage, and part AI trading bot. The reason I'm bringing this up, guys, if you like Bonk and you got into Bonk early, you're going to want to get into Wiener AI early, as their next price increase is in 22 hours. They've raised over $7.2 million during the pre-sale, and you're not going to want to miss out on this gem because it's an AI trading crypto bot here to help the investors. So what is Wiener AI? Despite its hilarious sausage exterior, Wiener AI is a pinnacle of AI trading technology with girthy prediction features. Wiener AI is a trader's best friend. So enhance trading with AI, seamless sausage swap, zero fees, and MEV protection. Guys, in 22 hours, they're going to have their next price increase. If you want to buy now, now's your time to strike. Link in the description below. Buy with ETH, USDT, card, or BNB. If you're going to load up, let me know how much you're loading up in the comment section below. But now we're going to go back to Bonk as we're taking a look on their news directly from the Twitter to see some reasons why this is pumping. First of all, they're doing a phenomenal job on X. They have over 325,000 followers and arguably the most popular meme coin on X right now in terms of social engagement. You can see the Bonk Art Masters Creator Grants, a Arts Ambassador Program powered by Bonk and the Solana Foundation. Massive collaboration to give back to the community, which is awesome. Don't Care Still Bonking, over 17,000 views, almost 100 retweets. We see many thanks to Bonk, Eno, and Bonk for Pause for letting me model and show some cool merch I have. And this guy looks like he's an influencer, grand dev of Solana Foundation, so pretty massive figure in the space for sure. Repping some Bonk gear, that's pretty awesome. London Hackers Houses and Primus Musketeers. Bonk Takeover Games was so much fun in Europe. And we see the massive Bonk statue, which is insane. So just taking over globally. This is why people are talking about Bonk. They're pretty much everywhere. Bonk Red Package giveaways, marketing. They are pretty much everywhere, involved with everything. Great merch packages. This is exactly what you want to see in a meme coin world, right? Having Bonk so seamlessly integrated into society, causing it to push out to the masses, and that's what Bonk's doing. Now we go ahead and take a look at the technical reports, and we see on the day, all scissors are buy, moving averages and buy, summary giving us a buy. People are loading up on this token, where a lot of tokens are in the red, Bonk is in the green. And again, the main reason for this, in my personal opinion, is their social presence is just so on point. They're just in the right places at the right time, doing the right things, getting this token seen. That's the most important thing. The more this token's seen, the more investors we get, the bigger the project could get. And that's exactly what we're seeing happening with Bonk. We go to the chart, we can see, guys, over $1.64 billion in market cap, a top 50 coin across coin market cap, In terms of volume, $480 million on number ranking 19, up 162%. We go in the 1 month to see a full picture. We're only down 15%, where most meme coins have been absolutely bloody and plummeting. So it looks like Bonk is up for grabs and is going to do some phenomenal things this bull run. We can only anticipate a next all-time high coming very soon, and this would probably come side to side with the Bitcoin all-time high again, as Bitcoin is most definitely going to continue to rally up. But always, guys, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence before investing any money in the cryptos we cover on this channel. Let me know how you feel about Bonk in the comment section below. Until next time, it's friend Umar. Peace.